I'm not in the mood to play.
I'm not in the mood. I'm not.
I won't never change. Rubbing off the paint, smoking dank. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Feel a tank, no he keep a cake, but he not take K up the top and let it blow. And watch this bitch eat his face. I'm that nigga, and all my young niggas pulling.
Chilling here at Applebee's. Mom.
What? I don't want to be on there.
No, Naomi watches my vlogs. So,
Turn it off.
no. Because my fans care about me. Get us to 100 subscribers. We're making our way up the charts. I'll come back when I have food. For sure. And now I have my food.
Oh shit! What are you doing?
So where are we at right now, Mom?
Stop! Party City. Stop.
Should I just follow you around the store?
No, stop. You're being irritating.
I'm going to.
No.
Yeah. What do we? So yeah, we out here at Party City looking for bandanas.
No gold.
It's March 17th?
Yeah, it's the St. Patrick's Day.
Those losers over there, they think they know what they're doing. Go America. Cute. So as you can tell, I'm ready to party, you know. We gonna throw a rager?
Yeah.
Just how the nosy people look. Always up in my business.
Is that a wiener dog? No. It's funny.
I'm having a boy.
No, you're not.
Oh, shoot. So, right at this moment, we're at... Where are we at, Mom? Tell them.
Sportsman's Warehouse.
Yes. We are looking for some camo. So, yeah. Well, I think we should get this for camo.
That's a one.
Really? So, guys, I just got some Dutch. Yeah, I haven't had one in 8 days. Mom! You can't just leave me like that. No, I went around the car to find you and you were over there. Because I thought you were on that side. Hey, you there. Oh, we're getting a little crafty today. What are we, Mom?
We're number one.
So we got our stuff.
Where are the keys?
I don't know. Whoa. Yeah, I still have to do everything else, but... So it is after school on Monday. It's comp week. Woohoo! Are you excited for are you excited for your tournament this week?
Yep, we're AAA. We're about to get triple A.
So y'all finna win? Hey, bruh.
You guys want to see me be with Kelsey like always, so this is what I do to her all the time. I do that.
Ow!
See that? You see that, guys? Look it. Look.
So right now it's a little bit windy.
I wanted to be a cool kid, so I got a pop song.
Are you vlogging?
I don't want to show
Are you vlogging?
I'm too nervous to show you.
But then I
Ow!
You have to hold it like a professional. You're holding it wrong. You have to hold it tight and nice and
my guy, Makai.
Nice and firm.
This is my guy,
firm,
Makai.
firm. Come on, you're doing it wrong. Do that, me. Hey.
2 hands. Wait, what?
I invented that word. It means pizza.
No, that's from SpongeBob. Remember, we're walking to our car. Calvin! Talk to my vlog.
Son!
You're ugly. That's what's up. Ah! Firework! Please tell me about your day. Okay, so in math, I was being smart. And like, you know, that's not really like, it's rare for me. Okay, I'm not kidding.
So I said by Sandra.
Wait, stop. Okay, I need to talk to my.
I asked her.
I need to talk to
I asked her if her name was Sandra, and then she got all. She was like me. I don't know. I think she doesn't like me.
I need to talk. Here, cut it so it's just.
likes you.
Cut it so it's just me talking. So, in my math class, I literally was doing good. Then at the end of the class, Miss Barris was like, she said to Miss Baker, Olivia's doing really good. And I was like, no, she will. And then I was like, oh my God, I'm so happy. And then literally that's why I'm having a happy day right now. Because I just had that class right there. So I'm doing my daily run down the hill, get our cardio in. Hello. So you're going to take.
Hello.
So we are on our way to practice. We have four practices left.
Yikes.
This is one. Oh, I learned a word in social studies today. It's whack-a-frass. We just got done with cheer practice. We at Taco Bell. So how did you feel about today's day one of practice?
Oh, it went well.
She'll give a fuck. I would not, friends, and I thank you for trying to be a good person, babe. But you're fucking lying about everything, and it wasn't. Oh,
Yo.
Way, right way, down.
Hey, shout out to Lonzo Ball.
hey.
Whoa, that's rain.
Hey, softball. I'm dead. So it is day 2 of practice this week. How do you guys feel?
We always say that.
I looked at. I feel. Hey, it's not.
Oh, it's not on us.
Oh.
Kind of like sketchy, but we got this.
Here, I'll hold
We
it.
got this.
And it's
Hey guys, so it's day 2 of practice.
scene 2.
Take 2.
How you feeling about practice, Blair?
Well, I'm feeling nervous because I hope I remember all of it.
I'm like gaining weight and I'm a flyer. So
Oh, there's 100.
I'm gonna drop
I'll be
you,
tough
Olivia.
on you.
Maybe I'll get punched again. Punch. Jada?
Baby, I
Jada.
dark. Everyone is leaving at a decent time, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not bad.
Today on Cooking with Olivia, Lavina, Kelsey, and Jada.
Oh,
So today what we're gonna be making is
So I'm just gonna put it in.
put it in. Put it in. P-U-T-I-T-I-N.
I'm gonna flip it. Hold
Put
on. Move
it in. Right?
And boiling water would be.
Boiling water.
Drop my phone in boiling water.
Water.
Say that. Put that as a caption. Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
Put exclamation.
And then I'll put this part so they know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
And then fuck that, but I did. Darn. Open milk. Like I normally.
Spatula.
Okay, so the spatula's are right here. So if you want a spatula, it's gonna be in here. Yeah. No, use this one.
Oh yeah. This one.
Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm wearing one shoe.
That was my day?
Yeah.
I got mugged! Holding a mug. It's not a mug. In the end, it's him and I. It's him and I. Come back over here.
Look at my.
Yaga! I counted mine. Okay. You do. Wait, man, were you coloring? When? Girl, you never said that.
She said it like 4 times.
Well, I'm about to hear you. Okay. So they're gonna be. I don't know. I used them last night. So it is day 3 of practice this week on Thursday. Yay! 2 more days! Wow!
Today's Wednesday.
Wow! Oh wait, it's Wednesday. My bad. Wait. Woohoo! Chill. Yeah. So this is the final product of the poster. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm right there. Hi guys. So I'm at the mall.
Your finger's like kind of covering the camera.
Oh,
There you go.
bye.